Hello everybody, welcome to the show. This is AndreJMcClendon coming at you guys with the Microventures Update. This is going to be about their savings account and how you guys can take advantage of it. So for everyone who has a Microventures account, if you got this awesome email, it says about them having a savings account of 1.7% annually. So if you guys are investing into some of the companies, get some cash left over, what I did is I put into their savings account, getting 1.7%, and allow my investments to be my money to start building upon itself, and so I can find my next investment. So let's check out their next screen about it. So this is how it looks for funding accounts. You have your Microventures account, here's your Microventures savings account, and the sweeping. So basically, I have cash flow coming in from the companies that I got involved with, and those are directly into the savings accounts, and I can pull it back out just to buy a company if I need to. So let's look at some of the new companies. So here's some new ones that are out. I checked them out already. They don't have cash flow. There are a bunch of companies that you get some good discounts. But what you can do is pull out the money out to be spent on these companies. So you're basically just compounding even more. So that's the update, guys. Just check out my other channel. Check out my other videos, and like, subscribe, and share. And you guys have a wonderful day. I'll see you.